Welcome to Easy Notes. Today we are going to discuss about budgetary control. As you know, the first and foremost function of management is planning. Planning for future is not at all an easy task. For making these plans accountable, we need to prepare detailed statement for these plans in written form. One of such technique is known as budgetary control. The budgetary control is a system involving coordination and control. Here we are going to discuss about firstly about three important terms related to budgetary control and its differences, steps involved, objectives and essentials of budgetary control. Important terms. Meaning, budget is just a financial plan which expresses in terms of money with income and expenditure. Statement. It is a detailed plan of action or business for a definite period of time, whereas budgeting is a process of preparation, implementation and operation of budgets. Budgetary control, whereas, is a system of using these prepared budget for planning and controlling cost. It is a system which prepare these budget, coordinate department and establish responsibility, comparing the actual performance with the budgeted and act as a result for achieving all the firm's goals and profitability. Next, we see what are the difference between the three items: budget, budgeting and budgetary control. Budget and budgeting is a narrow concept, that is, budgetary control is much more wider concept. Budget is business estimate, but budgeting is a process of preparing these business estimate. Budgetary control is a system of achieving these performance. Budget is a part of planning. Budgeting is also part of planning, whereas budgetary control is linked with coordination and control. It is much more of seeing future. So these are the differences between the terms. Now, steps involved in budgeting and budgetary control. As we said, budget should be for each section of the firm. Budget should be prepared for each section, that is, each department should have their own detailed plan of their working, income and expenditure. We need to record the actual performance. That is the second step. The actual performance. Budgeted is just an expected. We have to record the actual performance of the firms. And third step include compare and calculate the difference between the budget and control. The expected and actual performance should be compared and calculated. And the next step involved analyzing the causes of variance. The cause of variance or differences should be analyzed. And next, we need to furnish the budget report. Budget report should be furnished and take necessary corrective actions. In case of actions need to be taken, we have to do that. And then ultimately we have to revise the budget if necessary. The budget prepared is not up to the standard or it is something impossible. We need to revise the budget. Next is the objective of budgets and budgetary control. We need to coordinate all the departments of the firm. That is the first and foremost objective of budget and budgetary control. We have prepared all sections budgets separately. Okay? It should be coordinated well, which helps to eliminate the wastage and then it helps to reduce the uncertainty. Ultimately, when you eliminate the wastage and the cost is reduced, it helps to reduce the uncertainties and it helps to achieve goals of the firm easily and efficiently and help to fix responsibility. As we have said, budgetary control ensure in statement format the income and expenditure. Therefore, the responsibility is properly known. To improve operational efficiency. This, it helps to improve the operational efficiency of the working firm, then which ensure sufficient working capital to the firm. These are the major objectives of budgetary control. Next are essentials of effective budgetary control. These are the essentials for effective. When a budgetary control system to work effectively, these are the essentials. Support of top management. Whole of the workers should have a support for their budgets. Therefore, support of top management is a very essential element. Second, clear and realistic goal. The goals should be achievable and attainable. It should be clearly stated. Next, adequate accounting system. The firm should follow adequate and apt accounting system. The minimum cost of operation. The cost of operation should be kept very minimum, and the budgeting helps us so much to ensure the minimum capacity. Effective communication. As we have set out, management and all of the staff related to the firm should be coming into knowledge of the budget, and it should be effectively communicated. Timely reporting. The budget should be a plan for future. Therefore, timely and continuous reporting should be done. Flexibility. In case of any kind of uncertainty, it should be made flexible. Next, we'll see steps in installation of budgetary control or organization for budgetary control. The first step includes establishment of budget sender. As we have said, separate sections should have their own budget. Each budget senders should be established for proper working of the budgetary control system. And secondly, the introduction of adequate accounting records. Accounting system should be able to record and analyze information required for operating system. A chart of accounts should be prepared and maintained by each budget senders. And third one, budget training and education. All the personnel, all the staff of the firm should be well known about the budgetary control system of the organization. So they should be well informed about the every aspect and benefits of budgetary control. Only then its working system will be in a proper track. Next, prepare organizational chart. The organization chart should be prepared, well-defined organization chart. It should define the functions and responsibility of each members of the management team, and which helps the organization relationship and all well known with their members. Lastly, the establishment of budget committee. Establishment of budget committee. In small concern, a budget officer or accountant may perform all the work connected to the preparation of budget, whereas in larger concern, a budget committee is appointed to formulate and generate a program for preparing these budget and exercising the overall control. Therefore, budget committee consists of chief executive managing director from various departments to ensure the followability of the budgetary control system in the organization. Thanks for watching.